Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is not a fishing video like some of you guys want. You guys have been calling out for me to go fishing, eeling. Unfortunately this weekend I haven't been able to get out. So instead I'm going to be showing you another cooking video on the old Ozpig. We're going to be cooking a nice leg of lamb roast that I had in the freezer for a few months on the rotisserie on the Ozpig. This time I'm going to be using some lump charcoal instead of the briquettes that I used last time. They were the coconut briquettes that didn't keep the heat very well, so I'm going to be using a lot of lump charcoal into the heat bead basket and no wood underneath. The herbs I'm going to put on there, the rub, is this one here. I used this on my steak video that I did last week. This is the smoky barbecue salt, which has all the paprika and it gives your meat a nice rich smoky and earthy flavours, spices, Himalayan pink salt and a touch of heat from the smoked chipotle chili. Good for our meat. So we're going to sprinkle that on, give it a nice good coating. And we'll just wait for our charcoals, or our lump charcoal to heat up. Now of course you don't have to add this rub on it. You can put anything you want, just salt and pepper. I used to use a lot of Tuscan seasoning mixture as well, just whatever your preference is. Bit of rosemary always goes good with lamb, but we're just going to add that. Now also on there I'm just going to rub a bit of oil, give it a bit of a coating. What else can I do? And I'm looking at it. Someone wrote in the comments in my last video, where's the bourbon? Well, whoever wrote that, thank you, because here it is here, and I might as well have a bourbon. So cheers everyone. That it's starting to smell really nice. I just want to have a look. It's only been about 20 minutes. Right, welcome back guys. This leg of lamb now has been cooking for probably about an hour and 30 minutes, maybe a little bit shorter than that, but it's cooking nicely. It smells really blooming tasty. I've just added some hickory chips that have been soaking in water for about half an hour or so. Just try and give a bit of a hickory sort of smoke flavour to it as well. We'll add that nice flavour to the meat. Right, welcome back guys. Now this lamb roast has been cooking for nearly 4 hours and it's just about ready. I'm so hungry. Imagine sitting here for 4 hours watching the rotisserie going around and you're hungry, and you know me, I like my kai, I love my food, and I can't wait to try this. It's really nearly ready. Yep, there it goes. Ooh. We'll cover it up, let it rest for 10 minutes before we try it out. 6:20. Daylight savings over. Can't believe it. Right, here we go. That's quite nice. That's the end bit of the lamb. See how that like pulls apart quite easily. Awesome way to have lamb, that's for sure. I've got a hungry dog here, cat. So, thanks guys for watching, and we'll see you all in the next video. Hopefully a fishing one, or maybe even an alien one. Be hanging out for a feed of eels. You guys all take care, and we'll see you all soon. Bye. Damn daylight savings finished.